in the finals, so Bengals 8-0.
There it is.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. A little rain will not stop people from celebrating.
No. You're right. Yeah, that's absolutely right. I don't think that'll make any difference. Let's show you where it is raining and where it's going to rain as we go forward in your 9 first warning weather. We take a look at our 9 first warning Doppler, and you'll see where it's raining now. We're starting to see the rain come in out of the west side out by southeast Indiana, and also just slicing across Butler County now. That's some good moderate rain across Fayette, Union, Franklin, and across Butler County up by Miami and Oxford, and then stretching down in through southeast Indiana by Dearborn County, certainly across Versailles. That line is that torrential rain, the real heavy stuff there. I haven't seen any thunderstorms over the last hour yet. I still expect some, I think isolated, but some as we head to the overnight. You'll also notice one other thing. This movement is very much northeast. So for you folks that are across southeast Indiana and into Butler County, it does look like you will see the most amount of rain out of this. So we're talking about maybe a ½ inch to 3/4 by the time this is done in the morning. You'll notice, too, we're starting to see some showers just isolated across downtown and then across as we move to other parts of the viewing area for tonight. A little closer inspection shows that the towns of Brookville, St. Leon, Sunman, Milan, all in that heavier rain band out by Batesville. We're seeing some lighter showers stretching all the way to Dent, Cheviot, Addiston, and then we're starting to move into Burlington and across Boone County, too. All of this, of course, will be moving across the area tonight, as we've talked about. Watch what happens here overnight very early. I stop it at 3 o'clock. Look at this big band of rain. It's going to come down in buckets. This may very well be the timing somewhere around 3 or 4 that we end up hearing a few cracks of lightning around here, as the frontal system itself is still out to the west, but forcing all this rain right through the front half of rush hour. It does appear that things will settle down by the time 9 o'clock rolls around. And by 11 or 12, we're going to start to see some clearing. And then by the afternoon, we'll start clearing out around the tri-state. And we'll likely see some partly sunny skies showing up in the area. The bigger picture shows how that front will force all of that rain across the area, then allow the cold air in behind it as we go into tomorrow night and into the weekend. So we're looking at some colder than average temperatures heading into the weekend, only into the 50s. I will say this, though. It's going to mean some good weather for our high school friends who are still in the playoffs, both for tomorrow night and for Saturday as well. Here's the scene of the crime if you're the Browns. 63 degrees. Winds out of the southwest only at 5, but I expect some wind gusts to 25 miles an hour. In fact, I have it in my wake-up forecast. 66 degrees. Temperatures are going to remain mostly steady through the overnight. As we head into our Saturday then, after tomorrow and temperatures near 70 degrees, it's a big drop-off, only in the 50s, but the sun's back. On Sunday, it's even colder in the morning, maybe some outlying frost with temperatures in the 30s. So the way it'll play out then, the rain and 70, windy conditions, sunshine for the weekend, but much colder. And then into next week, we're looking at temperatures starting to pop back up, but another chance for rain, Carol.
Okay, thank you, Steve.